This is the Knowvation demo box, so I'm going to go ahead and type in an interesting string of keywords that I found. Cabin 2351, aboard, island princess. So you can see it went across the whole database. Look how quick that was. I typed in the string. It was faster than me typing. Went through the whole corpus of all of our demo documents. Tens of thousands are in here. It narrowed it down to 4. And what it did was it found that string that I typed in. It's handwritten. So this was OCR, digitized, OCR'd. It took me right to the page. It's a 140-page PDF file. So we have a native PDF viewer right in the system. When you're in the system, so we have metadata that's available to the user. We have full control over what's exposed. We can edit metadata if you have the permissions. You can download, print, email. You can view revisions. So this gets into the records management side of the house, what happened to it, who did it. Everything's logged and audited on the back end for compliance. And you can see there's a number of other options here when you have this document open. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to clear my search and walk through these icons on the top left here. So quickly upload. There's multiple ways to get data into the system, including automated ways, which we do for a number of implementations. However, if you want your users to have access to upload their own files, we can make these fields mandatory. So this requires them to input metadata, build the metadata better, right? So we can require it. But we also have ways you can run OCR and run extraction on the back end. So they can plug it in, run it, and then expose it. And Carl's going to show you some of that. Now I'm going to go over to my saved searches tab. So this is a nice feature for notifications. So if you want to set up a query and if you turn it on for notifications, anytime an item comes in that hits that query, you'll get notified right away. It's also good for demo purpose because I can save this search. I'll take a moment here and pause for a second. You'll see I typed in this long string of numbers. This is actually a passport number, and I'm going to show you why in a second. But when we've ran this through our OCR extraction, it's kind of like a before and after. So these are the same file, document 1, document 2. However, the second one we ran through our OCR and our AI to extract information. So you'll see there's pretty bare bones metadata up top. And then it's much more robust down here. We told it what to look for. We gave it guidelines parameters. So it can pull words off the page. So who's the owner name? Goes in the document, finds the owner name. We have full control over what's extracted, what's shown, and it plucks that off the page. And then it also generates new. So you'll see summary keywords where we can create new. It might not necessarily reside in the text on the page, but it's going to give you the summary right there. There's multiple ways to access it. This is the first one. This is a searchable index too, by the way. So if I go ahead and open this, that was that string of numbers. This was clearly scanned in. It's off a passport. It's difficult to read by the human eye, right? But it still was able to pick it up flawless. And it's so fast. It takes you to page 65 of 140 again, right in the viewer, and there's that number.